Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tricky appliance errors in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're tackling the Maytag microwave error code F1E4, a common issue that can pop up in 2025 models and leave you scratching your head. If your microwave is displaying this code, it usually signals a problem with the touchpad or a stuck key, potentially due to wear and tear or a minor electrical glitch. Don't worry. We'll walk you through what it means and how to fix it step by step. First off, let's understand this error. The F1E4 code typically indicates that the microwave's control board is detecting a fault in the keypad assembly. This could be caused by a loose connection, moisture buildup, or even a manufacturing defect. In newer 2025 Maytag models, it's often related to the humidity sensor not communicating properly with the main board. The good news? Many cases can be resolved without calling a repair service, saving you time and money. To start troubleshooting, begin with the basics. Step 1. Unplug your microwave from the wall outlet and leave it for at least 5 minutes. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches and might make the error disappear. Once it's powered back on, check the control panel for any stuck buttons. Gently press each one to ensure they're functioning smoothly. If the code persists, inspect the area around the touchpad for any signs of damage, like cracks or debris. You might need to remove the outer panel. Always unplug first for safety, but if you're not comfortable with that, skip ahead. Next, if resetting doesn't work, try cleaning the keypad with a soft, dry cloth to remove any dirt or residue that could be causing the issue. For more advanced fixes, you may need to examine the wiring connections behind the panel. If everything looks good but the error remains, it's time to contact Maytag customer support or a certified technician, as this could point to a faulty control board that requires replacement. Remember, always prioritize safety, never attempt repairs on a live appliance. There you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the F1E4 error and get your microwave humming again. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more appliance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next Fix It guide.